I've always been athletic. When I was a freshman in college, I dislocated my shoulder wrestling. About 10 years ago, I started feeling a clicking sound. It was actually restricting my range of motion and what I was able to do as far as lifting weights, exercising. It just wasn't functioning correctly. My name is Ed Danner. In 2013, I got a orthopedic exam and found out that I had bone on my left shoulder and was a strong candidate for shoulder replacement. I had a second opinion. I had an MRI. It wasn't going to get any better. I was going to have to deal with it at some point. I decided to schedule the surgery for June this year. I knew a little bit about stem cell, was excited about what I had seen. At that point in time, I wasn't totally convinced. It seemed too good to be true. I was hopeful that I could at least put the surgery off for a while. So I had it rescheduled for August 1st and got scheduled for a stem cell injection. Miraculously, within 7 or 8 hours after the procedure, I was already experiencing something different about my shoulder. And by the weekend, I felt like a new person. The success that I had, I've canceled the surgery altogether. I couldn't believe it. I can do things without thinking about compensating for the pain. There's probably 50 people that I emailed about my experience. I suggested that they at least visit the website just to get a feeling for what stem cell can do. It's been a life-changing experience, and I have not hesitated to share that with a number of people.